Alright guys, guess what? I think we all know where this is. Let's see how it's doing in 2019. I think there's something different with it now. Yep. Let's see what happens. Here we go. Listen to this. There's the second floor. We're not getting off anywhere. Let's see how I got up to 4. Now listen to this.
Second floor.
Wow. Here we go. Watching this side now. Alright, there it goes, and that's the Dumas elevator in 2019, and it has a floor indicator now, and it has a floor passing chime, and it has a speaker on itself. Speaker. So there it goes, and see you next year in 2020, Dumas elevator. That's all.